Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Wood. Simple things that you don't have to pay carpenters for. It's a promise. A simple promise. So, see you guys very soon. Expect more videos, and this is me saying thank you for being here. Peace out. So, what I'm talking about is in case your keys aren't working properly. So, they are a screwdriver. So, you can get a screwdriver, you can get a screw machine. Anyone is better. So, here is what you have to do. So, now, there is a screw here, a screw here. So, every door has three screws. This screw holds the chamber. Then, what you have to change in case your key is not working is the cylinder. So, you first remove the old key, then you put your screw here and you lose this out. So, once you lose this out, you can then change your key and get a new one. So it's best you lose this and take this one to wherever you buy your key so that you can get the exact same size because those come with different keys. We have big cylinders and smaller cylinders. So once you get the new key, you come back, you fix it either from the front or from the back, fix it in, set this screw back, and you screw it in. You put your key to test, and your door is set. So I hope you all get the message and subscribe for more videos.